here's the data I downloaded of just this one section here, and this is a medium, and you can see there's no other databases. So this is the only data that I have. So let me show you the map. So here's the map, kind of as expected. But when I loop through, now I've left this running for 10 hours, and if I kind of zoom out, you can see how much data. If you can see these lines, we got blue line here, and these are the different. These are some of the different points, and you can see how far out it goes. I mean, it's, this is probably, hundreds of squares, because I mean it goes out really far. You can see it's actually, because it's just taking so long, but some of the roads it's got pretty far out. And the only place I'm getting data from is just this map.instance get map roads.